What's up guys, Lucas here with surftrainingfactory.com, and today we're going to be talking about one of the ways that you can do to wrap your board when you're going to travel to another state or another country and you're looking to put those boards in a board bag. So for this type of packaging that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using 2 surfboards in a 2 surfboard bag, 2 noodles that are actually cut in half, and then I have also 4 toppers, 2 towels, and tape. The tape I might use or I might not, right? So first thing, obviously, always make sure that your board does not have the fins on. Super important that you do not have your fins on, right? So take them off and put them down. So the next thing I do is I just pick one of the noodles and I'm gonna put them on the side of the board. I usually pick them up, put it between my legs, and just start filling this up. Now, do I recommend having a full noodle for the whole entire side? Yes. We did not have any, so we cut it in half, and that's what happened, okay? So I would use a full noodle for the whole entire length and a full noodle for the whole entire side. But again, we did not have it, so this is how we're doing it today. And it was easy because the noodles were just cut with a knife or a razor knife, whatever you want to use, okay? You're just gonna cut that off, right? So I'm putting that on. Now this is gonna be one board, and again, just for side impact, I'm gonna take this right here, which is one of the toppers, and it's folded in half, okay? All I did was I folded it in half so it's nice and thick. I put this under, and I put this over. Okay, so now it's gonna be really good padded. You don't have to tape this over or anything like that. You can just leave it like such. It won't be moving too much, okay? Now I'm gonna go to the nose and do the same exact thing with the nose of the board. It's already folded in half, okay? Put this under, and I put this over. So now here too, if you wanted to take this and like wrap it around and kind of tie it together to stay tight, you know, a little bit, you can. That way it won't move as much. And as you can see, one is already completely done. It's that fast. Then I take one of these towels, again, because you do want to take towels on a surf trip, and I just lay it on top because this is where I'm going to put the second board, which again has no fins, right? No fins. I put this on top, and we're going to start the same concept, okay? So here, I open the noodle. I kind of try to center it. Again, if you have the full noodle, you're good to go. You don't need to worry about how centered you are because it'll cover most of the board. And here. Perfect. And then both noodles too are gonna give space between the boards so they won't be banging up against each other, okay? Take this here to the tail. Boom, nice and protected. Same concept here. You can leave it like such, or if you want to start doing the whole, taking the hands out, so bringing them around and tie them together, you can. Again, up to you. You don't have to do this extra thing. It's just to keep it tight. Take the other towel, because you need towels for the surf trip, right? Put it on top. If your board bag has the straps, you do want to strap them in. So I naturally like to pull this in a little bit more. That way the straps are not against the board, or not as much against the board, right? Tighten it out as much as you want. Tight is good, so it doesn't move. Same thing here. The noodle's on the way, then you're gonna have to scoot it around. Again, it would be nice to have a towel here, but you do not need to. The straps won't really destroy your bag. Okay, nice and tight. I didn't use the tape, okay? Could you use the tape for? Yes, if I had old t-shirts or something for the nose, for the tail and for the nose, I could tape it together, you know? But again, that's a whole other type of wrapping. Then we just close this up, zip it all up, and you're ready for your surf trip.